going on YouTube? Tim here with Ted Detailing, and today we'll be reviewing my MC1375 McCulloch steamer. I don't know, had to memorize that, make it look smooth. And so let's jump right into it, into the unboxing of this magnificent device. Let's jump right into it with my handy dandy knife. So yeah. As you can see, McCulloch, great company for steamers. I'm assuming they probably have other wonderful products. And so it comes with these two items if you want to steam your floor, you know. Let's put that aside for now. Instructions, little netting, I'm not sure what that's for. Alright, let's see what this is. Interesting. Simple. Just get those two little longer extension, plug this up, and you can easily steam your floors. Let's put that aside. McCulloch. Oh, handy dandy bag, you know. Put all the attachments in here. Nice. Alright, so got done with the bag. Let's get that out the way. Little things, little attachments you plug up. Brush right there, a foam pad. It's a little bit rougher. You can actually open that up real quick. See, as you can see, it has like brushes. This is pretty rough. I don't know if you can tell, it's like barely moving. So that's that. Attachment with foam pad. Also a bit rougher if it's a dirty area that you're trying to clean. So two of those. Put that right there. Some more attachments in here. Self-explanatory. There's one with gold brushes, bristles, a lot rougher, softer. And then here's a cup to fill up the steamer with water. Put that over here. More. These two little fabric pads go onto the floor extension so you can steam your floors easily. And this is said to have a 17-foot hose, which is pretty gosh darn impressive. We have more attachments. Most likely an adapter to other adapters or extensions. Right. Don't want to stick on those for too long, you know. Put that aside. Yeah, so this is supposed to be 17 feet, maybe less. I might be over exaggerating. Probably like 10, 11. This is obviously the trigger to let the steam out. This little button, press it and it locks, so a steady flow of steam. Let's get this baby big boy, bad boy out. I'm just moving around at this point. Put that right there. All right, and let's get this out. Okay, got that free. Now let's get the big boy out. Wow. What a beauty. Probably shows pressure, how much steam you want to be released, cap with a hazard sign, so make sure you don't open this when it's on or right after you turn it off, because you most likely will get burned. Here's a switch, on, off. This is small and nice. As you can see, the needle is green. And then let's see how it works on this bad boy. Do a little zoom in for you guys. All right, so let's grab this. So here's the water does come out for And this thing not only cleans extremely well, but it does eliminate germs because of the heat. So yeah. And it has passed the test. So if you compare this to the other side, you can tell how dirty it is. Flip it over. See how it is much better. So yeah. So this McCulloch steamer is a very great tool. Not only is it compact in size and easy to carry, it also helps you a lot with super dirty things. Even though that ripstick wasn't too dirty, it was visible, the dirt, and this steamer cleaned it within a minute. And that saved me time rather than me scrubbing away, getting some all-purpose cleaner solution, spraying it on there and cleaning. This just made it a lot easier, a lot more efficient. So if you want to disinfect your car, the steamer is the way to go. Basically, this is very efficient, makes your life easier. And if you're a detailer, you don't really have to get this steamer, but any steamer would help you in your area. So out of a 5-star rating, I haven't used it a lot, so with time I would be able to tell you its efficiency, how it works, if there's any problems. But with today's experiment and what we cleaned today, I would give it 5-star, because I'd have to put a lot of work into this ripstick, and with what it comes, all the attachments, how it works, it's very simple. It is technologically advanced, but it's not to the point that you can't understand what you're doing, you know? And so, yeah, 5-star rating. And you'll see videos of me using it on cars, so you can see how it works in the car, but I just don't have a car to test it on, you know. So yeah, but all right, another review done for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay.